Logo Group is the largest public software company in Turkey with highest R&D investment. We operate in 60 countries, delivering solutions like ERP, human resources management, e-invoicing, and customer relationship management. In 2023, we started working with Huawei cloud databases to develop more reliable and cost-effective SAS services. Our architecture now includes 2 active sites in Istanbul and a disaster recovery site in Ankara. This setup gives us zero RPO for cross-data center disaster recovery, automatic failovers, and ensures 99.98% availability. Thanks to Huawei's one-stop migration solution combining UGO and DRS, we automated our migration to Huawei Cloud from end to end. 80% of our code didn't need any changes, and the high compatibility of Taurus DB really helped us cut costs and reduce risk. Since adopting Huawei Cloud databases, we have optimized our technical architecture, reduced our TCO by 65%. Our application latency dropped from 50 milliseconds to 15. Looking ahead, we plan to using more Huawei Cloud products such as AI, big data to accelerate the development of our core services. Go intelligence with Huawei Cloud.